Hey, so today we got a package in the mail, again from my friend overseas. And so I believe this is going to be a mechanical keyboard. I believe she sent me the Lofree Flow 2 low profile mechanical keyboard. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Might be the toughest tape Amazon has ever put on a box. Oh. All right, so let's see what we've got in here. More packing material. And there we go. The Lofree Flow 2. This is the 68 key edition. Let's go ahead and get this open. Let's see, this is kind of what it looks like on the outside. Okay. It does have a certain Apple aesthetic in the way it's packaged. And there we go. It is pretty hefty. Solid aluminum. Adjustable height. The little feet here. And there's the switch to control the modes of connection. You can use this as wired or wireless. And I believe it is Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi. Let's see what else comes in here. Okay, it's a very nice braided cable. USB-A, hate USB-A, USB-C. We do have the little dongle for the Wi-Fi connection. Additional keycaps for Windows. Thank goodness it doesn't come with the Windows ones installed by default. And then their instruction manual. Now, what does this sound like? Let me get my mic down closer to it. Now, this keyboard is often referred to as the mechanical keyboard Apple would make if Apple made a mechanical keyboard. And I can see why. It sounds very good. Great build quality. The aesthetic is very Apple-like. And you can customize it. And there you go. There's a quick unboxing of the Lofree Flow 2 low profile mechanical keyboard. The mechanical keyboard that Apple would make if they made a mechanical keyboard. At least that's the reputation this has. Please like and subscribe and be on the lookout for a review of this keyboard. Let's see how this compares to other mechanical keyboards. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I don't want to play this game today. Please just cut the camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, turn the camera off.